eBooks. eBooks are books that are available digitally to you from your library. These books can be found at library.ncc.edu/library. To borrow an ebook, simply click on the button entitled Borrow an eBook from the library's homepage. Click on the button and you will see that the library has a collection of 5 different types of ebooks. The first type, Overdrive ebooks, are books and digital titles that you can read or listen to from your computer, smartphone, tablet, or other device. Overdrive ebooks and audiobooks often include very popular and new titles from the world of fiction and nonfiction. The other books are specifically a little bit more academic. The ebook collection from the eBook Academic Collection is a multidisciplinary library of over 83,000 titles. Textbooks and other types of academic books are found here. StatRef ebooks are a collection of medical nursing and allied health ebooks. This includes Board Vitals. If you need assistance creating a Board Vitals account, please click to chat with a librarian. The Gale Virtual Reference Library acts as a Wikipedia that is academically acceptable, meaning your teachers will want you to look there for some general information. Salem Online is a collection of ebooks on history, literature, science, health, and careers. You could click here for this type of book. To borrow an ebook, simply click on the link provided, search the title you would like, The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind here is our common read, and you'll note that you can borrow from Overdrive the audiobook or the ebook. In order to borrow them, simply click Borrow, and you will be prompted to enter your student and number and password. If you are a faculty member, enter your 6 and 1. From there, you will be prompted to sign in, and you should click Borrow. You can either download or listen now in your browser. eBooks are wonderful because you do not have to worry about any due dates. The book will simply become unavailable to you after the stated date.